Rice is the most important food crop of the developing world and the staple food of more than half of the world's population. But what if I tell you that it's an amazing beauty product? Hi guys, this is Zakira, and in today's video, I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about rice water. How to make it, how to use it, when to use it, and what are the benefits I see in my hair after using it. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Now to make the rice water, I'm gonna take rice, of course, and I'm gonna take 1/3 cup of rice. You can take more rice if you are making a bigger batch, but I like to make new batch every time I use it. You want to make sure that you have rinsed the rice properly before putting it into the jar. Now after rice, I'm gonna put orange peels. Now I have an orange with me and I'm gonna peel it up like that, and I'm gonna put in a few pieces of that because this is to balance out the smell of rice water, because rice water after sometimes can get really smelly. So adding orange peels really balances out the smell of it. Now I'm adding 1 cup of water into this. Now just stir it up like that. Now screw the lid on and let it rest on the counter for minimum of 30 minutes and maximum of 24 hours. The more it rests, the more benefits the rice will release into the water and the more beneficial the water will be. So I'm gonna keep it for about 3 to 4 hours. And after 3 to 4 hours, I'm just going to take out all the orange pieces, orange peels, and I'm gonna strain the water into another container. And after straining, your rice water will be completely ready to use, and your rice water should look something like this. In the next step, I'm gonna show you how to use the rice water. So this is how my hair looks before using anything on my hair. My hair is a little bit frizzy, and also my scalp is a little irritated and is oily. So I haven't washed my hair for about 2 to 3 days. So I'm gonna wash my hair first because you need to make sure that your scalp is completely clean before using the rice water. I have used the Eba shampoo to shampoo my hair before this, and now it's time to apply the rice water onto my hair. Now it's not smelling that bad, but if you keep it for a longer time, it can smell a little bit weird. But don't worry, that smell won't stay for a longer time, because after this we are going to use a conditioner on our hair. And to apply on my scalp, I'm just putting little bit of it on my hair and then I'm massaging it. And for my ends, I'm just going to dip them in the rice water, and I think that's the best way to make sure that all the hair are covered in rice water. And now just giving my hair a little bit of a massage. You don't want to be very hard with this, just use very gentle motion, because when your hair is wet, it tends to break very easily. And after this, I'm going to let it stay on my hair for 10 minutes and then wash it off and then apply a conditioner. This is the conditioner that I use, and after rinsing that off, this is how my hair looks. I can definitely see a little bit more shine than before, and I also feel they are not so dry as they were before, so that's a good thing. And my scalp is also feeling really clean and healthy. Now if you ask me what is the best time and how many times a week should you use rice water, then let me tell you, you can use it every time you shampoo your hair, be it 2 times a week or 3 times a week. Whenever you're shampooing your hair, just add this one more step and you will definitely see results in your hair. You can definitely make a bigger batch of this and store it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks and until it starts smelling really bad. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what more would you like to see from this channel. And yeah, with that said, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.